A person coughs, the fever starts to rise. Eyes turn red and light begins to bite. Tiny spots show up inside the cheeks. 𝗀𝗽𝗃𝗦𝗦𝗖𝗥𝗑𝗕𝗘 sign before the rash will peak. Measles spreads by droplets in the air, caused by measles, 𝗁𝗵𝗵𝗀 flare. It's contagious, watch for early clues, and seek a doctor to guide what to do. After days, a rash will start to spread, down from ears to torso, arms and legs. It can lead to things that cause great harm. Pneumonia, brain swelling may disarm. Measles spreads by droplets in the air, caused by measles, 𝗁𝗵𝗵𝗀 flare. It's contagious, watch for early clues, and seek a doctor to guide what to do. One case can infect close to 20 more. Before the rash comes, it's shedding spores. 2 vaccine doses protect with my MMR helps keep the future bright. No cure exists once it's underway, only support to ease what it displays. Hydration, rest, and watchful eyes. Preventing it is truly wise. Measles isn't just a harmless spot. It can kill if treatment is not sought. Get the shot, protect the ones around. That's how safe